Yo guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how to quickly and easily save more contacts for your Expertnaire online business. So stay with me as I lead you through this. Okay, so how to quickly and easily save more contacts for your Expertnaire business. So this is how we're going to do it. You need three tools to do this. The number one tool is the 𝗦𝗃𝗃, is a Chrome-based web extension. The second one is the 𝗕𝘂𝗃𝗄 app, and the third one is the web sender. So these are the three tools that you'll be needing to do this. Good news, 𝗕𝘂𝗀𝗏 is celebrating 100K followers on Twitter and is doing this massive promo. So the 72 IG course will be going for 40,000 naira, and the promo is going to end on March 26th. So you don't want to miss this. So if you want to get this right away, there's a link in the comment section. Click on the link, it directs you to my WhatsApp contact. So what will I be doing? I'll be holding you by hand to give you the tips, tricks, and strategies to scale this business online. You'll be having access to a community of like minds where you will be able to ask questions and these questions will be answered. I'll also be sharing with you an Expertnaire group WhatsApp template that you can use to hold your trainees online. So what is 𝗦𝗃𝗃? 𝗦𝗃𝗃 is a contact management program. The Chrome plugin extension is used to extract unsaved numbers from your WhatsApp. So if you want to extract unsaved number from your WhatsApp, you can actually use this. I'm going to be showing you how to do this right away in this video. The second web plugin you will be needing is the 𝗕𝘂𝗃𝗏 app. The 𝗕𝘂𝗃𝗏 app is an app used for bulk saving contact. It can also be used to save single contact easily. So I'll be showing you this. These are free tools. Some may have premium version of them, but you can actually use the free tools to do whatever you want to do. So the third one is the web sender. You can use this to send bulk messages to the extracted numbers. So what next? So let's implement this right away. Okay, this is my web WhatsApp. Please note also that you can only do this on the web. You can use your mobile. So if you have a laptop, connect your WhatsApp to your web and do it right away. So let's get started. So if you look at here, I already have the extension in here. So just go to the Chrome web store, then you are going to get this extension in there. So how do you go to the Chrome web store? So just search Chrome web store. So from the search bar, you can actually get any web store extension you need. So you come here right away, you search the store, and you'll be able to search these extensions I've been talking about. So let's go back. So the first thing I want to use is the 𝗦𝗃𝗃𝗃. So this is the 𝗦𝗃𝗃𝗃. So I already have my WhatsApp open. So what I just do is I click on the 𝗦𝗃𝗃𝗃. So I have some information here, export to text file. So I click on it and the 𝗦𝗃𝗃𝗃 does its job, scrolling, finish, got total 0 numbers. Okay, I've actually used this before, so it can't find any unknown number, or it can't find any unknown number or unsaved numbers rather. So definitely I'm good to go. So but if you try this, every unsaved contact will be opened. You get the numbers if it's 10, 100, 20 as case may be. Then it stops. Then you can download the contact as to a notepad. So you download it to a notepad. Then the next thing you do, you can upload it to your Google Drive. Then through your phone, this web-based. Then from your phone, you can get the each of the phone numbers on the notepad you upload on your Google, copy it and save it on your phone. Okay, the second one I will be talking about is the 𝗕𝘂𝗀 app. So just click on the 𝗕𝘂𝗀 app also, and you can do as many things you want to do. So, but I already have it installed. If you look at here, 312 unknown numbers found, save now. So if I click on save now, it will automatically save all these numbers for me. But you can also save the numbers individually. Maybe you have a number that you've not saved. You can actually save, like for example, this number. If I want to save it, you can see save this contact. I can click on the save button, add new contact, and I can save this right away. It's so easy. So the last one I will be talking about is the web sender. So how do I use the web sender? So the number from the unsaved numbers extracted with the eye contact in the notepad, I can copy all those numbers, click on the web sender, and the next thing is I put the numbers in here, as many as they are. So let me just try with this. This is a number. So I have a test I put in discover how to earn 5 to 6 figures quickly from African marketing using your smartphone. So the next thing is just for me to click on send message. Your message are being sent, and that is all. If you have many contacts, can you see it has dropped this message right away here? So I can receive this message. So this is how you do it. Use the eye contact to download all the contacts in a notepad, then copy to the web sender to send to all of them the message you have composed at the same time. I hope this helps. So before I go, please remember to take advantage of the 40K promo discount by 𝗕𝘂𝗪𝗁 on the 72 IG course. I will hold you personally by the hand and show you all these tips and strategies. So another thing also is I will show you how to message your leads even while you are sleeping. When they contact you, ask you questions, you can always answer them directly even when you're sleeping. I will be sharing that technology I use also for you. So see you in the next video. Bye.